Gemini can be accessed directly on Google Sheets, and it's going to make your work a lot faster. So let me show you how you can enable Gemini AI on your Google Sheets document. So first, you have to be in the Google AI Ultra or Pro plan, and basically this will give you access to various Google tools, including access to Gemini in various Google products like Gmail, Drive, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. However, of course, this is going to cost you some money. Instead, you can use an alternative, which is by joining the Google Workspace Labs program. You can navigate to this URL, which I'm going to leave in the video description. So basically, you have to go to this page and you have to sign up using your Google account. And only then you can access Google Gemini on Google Sheets. But you have to enable the setting first. So after you join Google Workspace program or you join the Google AI Pro or Ultra plans, you can navigate to gemini.google.com. And then click Settings and Help, click Apps, and then you have to enable Gemini for Google Workspace. So let's click this button and then click Connect. And now basically we can access Gemini in various Google products like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Calendar, and of course Google Sheets. Now I'm going to go back to this page. Let's refresh the page and you can start using Gemini on many Google products, and in this case you can use it on Google Sheets. So you can click this Gemini icon, and basically you can click this button to expand or collapse the size of the window. And if you want to know what other things that Gemini can do on Google Sheets, you can click this button, what can Gemini do in Google Sheets. Click on it and it will tell you a few things that Gemini can do, like it can reference a document, generate tables, summarize a document, etc. So unfortunately I'm not a Google Sheet or spreadsheet user, so I'm not quite familiar with this tool, but let me give you an example of what Gemini can do. So here I'm going to ask Gemini to create a new table. So create a new table, hit enter, and just wait for Gemini to create the new table, and there you go. So you can click close or just insert a table into your existing document. And of course, there are many other things that you can do, and feel free to explore all the possibilities and capabilities of Gemini in Google Sheets. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.